Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how to get your content discovered on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter? The secret is in the hashtags. Today we're talking about how hashtags help viewers and listeners find content they love. Let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the power of hashtags. Hashtags are more than just trendy tags. They help categorize your content so that your content shows up in searches related to that topic. Right? For example, if you're posting about online tools, you can just type right here free, right? Hashtag free tools. You're gonna search, right? Using hashtags makes your content discoverable to users interested in tools, apps, or software. Why hashtags matter? When people search for specific topics like free resources or the latest web tools, hashtags guide them straight to relevant content. So, if you're creating videos about tech hacks, productivity apps, or online services, these hashtags will connect you to a community of viewers who are looking for exactly what you have to offer. In conclusion, hashtags are essential for growing your reach and engaging with like-minded audience. By using hashtags like free tools or, let's say for example, web tools, right? You're putting your content in front of people who are actively searching for it. If you want to know how to generate viral hashtags to gain more views, you can go back to your screen and use your browser. In my case, I'm using hashtag generator for Instagram, toolzoo.com, and that website allows you to generate viral hashtags based on just few words like Paris, for example, right? And click generate hashtags, and you're gonna wait for a few moments and they will generate that hashtag for you, and you can copy that hashtag. Make sure that you copy 5 to 10 hashtags in order to get viral. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And which hashtags do you use to reach your audience? Let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next videos.